Hi guys, I wanted to just show you briefly what ConferZoom looks like in case you haven't participated yet. You can video chat like this. You can also share your screen, and so let me show you what that looks like. I can come over here and share my screen, and now you can see what I'm seeing. Let me also show you, let's see, you can see I'm creating this assignment right now. So I'm going to save that there. But what I'm going to do is show you what ConferZoom looks like over here in the class. And so in ConferZoom, if you click on that, you can quick launch a new event, or you can schedule more events. So let's say you want to hold a regularly occurring office hour. You can choose a weekly event here, and you can decide on the day or the time of week. Let's say you want it to be Mondays at 10, 11 a.m. and your office hour is going to be 1 hour. You can do that here and click schedule. And then on Wednesday, you can click the host button, and that will launch your event where students can pop in and ask you questions, and you can see them, or if they're more comfortable, they can disable their video. And you can just chat with them. So that's just a quick look at ConferZoom.